When an open circuit fault is detected on the loop of an XFP CAST system, a loop integrity fault message will show on the panel's display with details of which loop the fault is on. To identify the exact location of the fault, which is usually caused by a break in the wiring, first press the menu button. Then scroll down to access level 3 and press accept. Next, input the 4-digit access code. The default for this is 4444. Once in access level 3, scroll down to engineer functions, press accept, then scroll down to identify loop break and press accept again. A restarting loop message will show on the panel's display. The panel will now pull the devices it is able to see on the A side of the loop in the sequence that the devices have been wired, briefly illuminating the LEDs on each device as it goes. When it gets to the last device it is able to pull, the panel will then pull the B side of the loop in the same way. Once it has reached the last device it is able to pull on both sides of the loop, a message will appear on the panel's display indicating the location of the loop integrity fault. In this instance, it is between devices 7 and 8. The LEDs on the devices will also be lit steady to aid identification of the fault out in the field. If the fault was identified between, for example, devices 2 and 6, these devices would be lit and it would suggest there is more than one break in the loop wiring. In that situation, you would fix one fault at a time and repeat the identify loop break process until all faults are fixed. In our case, there is just one fault. The panel's display will also show the zone location of the last device it found when pulling the A side of the loop. If the fault location is not shown, press the menu button and the details will appear again. You will now know between which devices the fault is located. As loop integrity faults are latching, once the fault has been fixed, press the green reset button. The panel will reset and the general fault LED will start flashing. Press escape 3 times to return the panel to a normal condition. For more technical assistance, check out our other videos or visit C-TEC.com.